Algorithms can bring customer to your doorsteps, but trust and value are what make them stay with you. In this AI driven world, where AI has democratized the content, the blog post, content creation, images, videos, where you need to really keep a watch on is the trust factor and the value which you are giving it to your customers. So, in this AI driven digital marketing world, performance marketing is going to be pivotal and more crucial than ever. Why? How? We will decode that in our following videos. But remember, performance marketing is going to stay here.